Ready to step into that right stirrup. Across the pen we go. Now that girl, slow him down. You hung right in there. Make him slow down now. Keep it going. Keep turning left. Bring him over to the left. And step up to the left lead. Get over the left side. Get over, get over. Didn't get it. Roll back. Well, we're getting a stop. Come on, kid.
Then. The dudes won't be able to ride that.
Let's go do another late change right now. Bring that horse over here to the left a little more. Pull him over here. Pull him over here a little more. Now turn him loose. That's a girl. That's our English cowgirl. Roll back. Back him a little bit. Bring his nose left. And go. Roll back. Easy. Finish it a little bit. Back him up. Bring his nose right. Inside roll. Take little tiny steps now, just really easy. Easy. Step and release. That's a girl. Bring the nose. Bring the nose and go. This girl pays attention. 360. I didn't think we'd do that. Little tiny step down, just easy. That's a girl. Bring his nose. Now, a little right spur. Get that spur up ahead a little further. Missed your lead. Missed your lead again. Get your weight out there. Get that turn in front of him. Nope. Do an inside roll. All right, yeah. Hang him around. And as this horse, bring the nose. Right lead out. Let's try 360. Just easy. Just little steps. Tiny steps. Tap that right leg, little left leg rather. Left leg, tap. Bring around. Now, left leg. Set him out. Good job. It's stop, Jess. Jess, you have really changed this horse in 5 days.
All righty then.
That, our hero. All right, good job, Jess.